Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt. Some of you might have seen something on the NZ Herald page today online about Mr. G in Tauranga causing a bit of a stir with his artwork. Very clever it is, for advocating the correct pronunciation of Tauranga. And some of the people on the comments were mentioning that that's all very well, but it wasn't saying how to pronounce it. He was just putting kind of like, don't say Tauranga. So in response to that, I will talk about the correct pronunciation of Tauranga. So basically we've got our a, e, I, o, u, and that's the basis of all the correct pronunciation of Te Reo Māori, because the vowels are always pronounced a, e, I, o, u, and if there is a macron, they're just a little bit longer. So for Tauranga, the key to our pronunciation is to put a break after every vowel. So this is ta-u, tau, 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 au, and we just say it faster. So instead of tau, we're kind of saying tau, 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 ra, nga. So one of his complaints was this was pronounced tau, and then this was pronounced wronga, or for some people, wronga. And this is a, because this is always a. Tau, ranga. So ranga. This is ranga, and this is tau. Tauranga, tauranga. So I've got a couple of other examples here with using that au, 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 tauranga, taupō, because this is always o, and it's got a macron, so it's a bit longer. Tirau, manukau, so we're breaking at every vowel. To pronounce any word or place name in te reo, we're breaking at every vowel. Manukau and mataura. Mataura. So these AUs are always going to be pronounced au, au, au. Tauranga. So, out there and getting those signs painted is all good, but let's pronounce them correctly once we know how to pronounce the vowels and how to put a break after every vowel. Ka kite.